Welcome back to my channel, and if you want to know how to make a perfect thin crust pizza at home, then keep on watching. Keep on watching. We will start by making yeast mixture. I'm adding half a teaspoon of dry yeast, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of warm water. Make sure water is warm and not hot. Now we'll mix everything well and we'll let it sit in a warm place for around 10 to 15 minutes until it gets frothy. Now we'll work on a dough. Here I have taken 250 grams of refined flour and I am making a well. इसमें अब हम yeast का mixture डालेंगे. Make sure to scrape out the mixture. After mixing it lightly, here I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil. And now we'll be adding half a teaspoon of salt. And then we'll mix. अब हम अपना आटा गूंदेंगे warm water से. तो here I am using 1/3 cup of warm water, 75 ml of warm water. Guys, initially it will turn out to be a very sticky dough, but हमें इसे गूंदते रहना है और ये ठीक हो जाएगा. We have to stretch the dough using our palm and bring it back with our fingers and make sure to do it for at least 10 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, our dough will stop sticking and this is the sign कि हमारा dough अच्छे से गूंद चुका है. In a bowl, I am drizzling some oil and we'll set aside our dough for around 45 minutes and we'll cover it using a damp or a wet cloth. After 45 minutes, our dough is rise and has doubled in size. On a clean platform, here I am dusting some maida or refined flour. This is the measurement to make 2 pizzas. So now I'm cutting my dough into 2 equal parts and the second one I will rest it again and cover it with a damp cloth. Now we'll work on our first pizza dough and we'll roll it until it's an inch thick. Here I am putting some oil on a baking dish. And we'll dust some flour on top. Now we'll pierce our pizza using a fork. Bake the pizza base at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Brown crust on top shows that a pizza base is done. Now we'll start with the topping. We'll start by putting melted butter on top, followed by homemade pizza sauce. The recipe is in the description box below. Putting in lots and lots of cheese. Here I am using mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Top it with your favorite veggies. Here I am using onion, seedless tomatoes, capsicum, and tandoori paneer, recipe of which you will get in the description box below. Now I'm grinding some fresh Italian herb. You can also use oregano, thyme, rosemary, whatever you have. Now a cheesy tandoori pizza is ready and we'll bake it at preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes, or until our cheese melts and we get a perfect golden crust. Do let me know your experience in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Enjoy and thank you for watching.